What is up, guys? Handyman Sam here, and today I'm going to show you a quick painter's trick if you've gotten a little bit of paint on, like, say some trim or something like this brown trim we have up here because of stupid painter's tape. So while the paint is still tacky, if you have a little bit of paint coming down like this, if you take just a putty knife like this and just sort of push up like so, and see, it just kind of pushes it up into that little nook there, and you can sort of scratch off the rest like with your fingernail. It just kind of pushes it out of the way, that way you don't have to sit here with your fingernail for all of it. So that's my quick tip. I hope it helped in some way, and please like if it did, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks, guys.